Welcome everybody to the webinar today. We're very excited to share with you a few new features that have just been released. As you can see, this is the Summer of Love Part 1. That's in a prelude to our release every month for the summer months here. And so we're excited to give you the Part 1 today. With that, the webinar today is going to follow the format here. We've got 5 new features that have been released. One of them has to do with the Affiliate Center, both adding additional pixels and code. The second one, we're going to talk about the affiliate pixel testing. The pixel log, this is an exclusive with Linktrust that allows you to help troubleshoot some of your pixels. We made some modifications so for your accounts payable people to view and export the tax documents, and we'll show you that. And lastly, we'll follow it up with the request of an offer from another source, and I'll show you how that works within the system. So with that, we're going to go straight on into the system, and we're going to start working with the affiliate pixel codes, being able to place in additional pixels and codes. So affiliates can place additional codes and pixels in the Affiliate Center without the need to contact the Affiliate Center. Previously, this was all done by the affiliate manager. So let me show you how that looked originally. Inside of a campaign, if we went to a campaign and actually looked at some affiliates that were assigned to a campaign, when you place an affiliate's pixel, here you have this additional code box. This additional code box is used internally to be able to place additional code or additional HTML, JavaScript, or iframe pixels that an affiliate may have for you. Well, now you can actually make this box accessible for the affiliates. So previously they had to send this information to you. You had to put it into the system. Now they can do it themselves. So let me show you how to turn this on because it is not on by default. When you select the pixel from the left menu bar, we added the new feature right here. So first, you need to be able to enable the affiliate to place their own affiliate pixel in the Affiliate Center. If this is enabled, with the added feature, I can now turn this on and update the system. And we can now see, from an affiliate's point of view, how this looks. So let's go back to the affiliates. I'm going to click on HyperClick and log into the Affiliate Center as if I am the affiliate. The affiliate would then come to the My Offer section, and they would see where they can edit their own pixel. In addition to editing their own pixel, they can now place and have this open field available for the purposes of adding additional confirmation pixels or even any type of code that's needed. It's also important to note that this code box is only going to be executed when this affiliate is responsible for a successful transaction. So that's the new feature. Hopefully that'll save some affiliate managers some time and allowing affiliates to be able to access that their code and manage their code on their own. The second one, this one is long awaited and is very excited to display. It's called the Affiliate Pixel Testing. So in an affiliate's account, when you place an affiliate's pixel inside of their account, once a pixel has been placed, you can now test the pixel from within Linktrust. So we're going to look at this in 2 different ways. This can be accessed both at the partner side, which is your side, or the affiliate side. So first, from the partner side, you're selecting the testing of the pixel. It opens up. The affiliate will then be able to place their test URL for whatever that may be. So let me see here. I've got one right here. So the affiliate has now sent you a test URL. I throw that right into the system, and I hit launch the URL. It opens up the landing page in a pop-out, so you can see that it's actually landing on the correct landing page. And then the second step is to now load the Linktrust confirmation pixel and any code that is associated with that. Now that the pixel and the code has been fired, step 3 is now communicating to your affiliate to check their system to make sure that it tracked in their system. So as you can see, it's a very simple 3-step process to be able to test your affiliate's pixels now. And the beauty of this is that it can work on, because it's web-based, it works on every browser. And in addition to this pixel testing going on, Linktrust is not going to be tracking this in the system. We've modified the confirmation pixel so that it doesn't track in Linktrust. That's intentional so that you don't have to go in and reverse the transaction out of the system, causing you extra work to do. You can always use the reset test to then go back to the main screen and retest the system again if you need to. So that's how it looks from the partner side. So let's go in and view how this looks from the affiliate side. So we're going to log in again as if we came in from the affiliate. The affiliate comes into the My Offers. They can select their editing of their pixel, where they then place the type of pixel that they're using. Once they place a pixel in here and update it, then the test pixel and code button appears in the bottom left corner. They can then select this box. It opens up the pixel testing. They can put in their test URL from their system. They can launch this. Again, a pop-out appears so they can see that it's landing at the correct destination. And lastly, they can load a pixel, the Linktrust pixel, which then will pull down their confirmation pixel and code to this success page, or to the page that Linktrust has developed. And lastly, giving them instructions to then go to their own system and to check to make sure that it's tracking properly in their system. And of course, they have the resetting of the test as well to start over if needed. So there's no need to unapprove transactions, saving a lot of time. And again, will save you and the affiliate time in able to test pixels more efficiently. The next item that we have on here is the pixel log. Now the pixel log is a way that you can view how Linktrust is going to execute the affiliate's confirmation pixel. There's times where the affiliate is going to be placing in a simple URL for whatever type of confirmation pixel they want to place. But you want to see exactly how Linktrust is going to pull that down to the success page, and that way you can help with any type of troubleshooting. So to do this, you can come in, and any time that a transaction has occurred in your system, and maybe in the affiliate system, they don't see the transaction, they may ask you, hey, what exactly did you fire, and how does it look? Well, you can come into the report section, search for the campaign that has the transactions associated. So we're going to look at this Easy Debt Busters. And when you select the transaction that was created, a new column has appeared in the transaction details called Affiliate Pixels. And in association with that, there's a view link. At any point, I can click on this view link, which opens up the actual pixel that was fired with all of the tokens that were replaced for that transaction. As you can see, this was a JavaScript confirmation pixel, and I wanted to pass back a click ID, and I also wanted to pass back a transaction ID. So in the affiliate center, or in the affiliate's details of the pixel area, these were tokens. But here, Linktrust has now generated the actual URL that was pulled to the confirmation page. In addition to this as being a cookie-based confirmation pixel, I also did this with a server-side confirmation pixel. This will come in handy when you do a server-side postback where you can't track this in an HTTP debugger like Fiddler. You need to know when a server-side URL or postback fires to the affiliate system, what did their system do? How does it respond back to Linktrust? So we give you again the confirmation pixel, which is the server-side URL that was fired for the affiliate, and we also record the server response that is coming back. So this being a 200, in the HTTP error codes, a 200 is a success. So there are other error codes that can be in here, and we will add a log or a help documentation to allow you to view all the different industry standard error codes for HTTP. So again, this is a great way to view affiliates' pixels and how they fired in their original state for troubleshooting with your affiliates. The next one that we have is all about, is more for the accounts payable or accounting department. You have affiliates who have filled out their W-8s and W-9s, and you want to be able to export these. Either view multiple affiliates without having to log into multiple affiliates or export them to a CSV file. To do this is quite simple. What we can do is you just go into any affiliate account, into their payment details. In their payment details, you'll notice it says Manage Tax Documents. When you manage the tax documents, you must have the rights to be able to view the payment details in order to even get here. But once you get here, you're going to see a new link up here at the top called Download Tax Docs. When selecting that, it gives you the option to download the W-9s or the W-8s. And if you're not sure and you don't want to download them, but you just want to view what you've got on file, you can click on the View, and it'll give you the option to do that, as well as to then view specifically on an individual affiliate. So this is definitely a time saver, where originally you had to go to each individual affiliate in order to get their tax documentation. Now you can actually view everybody's tax documentation. So the last of our features today is the ability to request an offer from another source. That may sound a little confusing, but let me show you how this works. The first part is we have developed some HTML code that allows you to modify your Affiliate Center welcome page. So if I scroll down to the home page, by adding additional code to this home page, you can now allow affiliates who have seen offers out on the internet to request that you go and find that offer so they can run it within your system. This helps them to not have to go searching all over the internet for maybe offers that they are not familiar with how to go about getting them. But since you are the expert in finding offers and running them in your system, they will be able to run them through your platform. So to do this, to get this code that you need, it's pretty simple. We've located it here under the Tokens button. You can scroll down. We've added a new section called the Request Offers from Another Source. We modified it in two different ways, the code. One, you have the raw code that you can place in your own custom Affiliate Center page. Or if you're using our Affiliate Center template number 1, we've already incorporated it into that page. So you can actually simply click on this, download the HTML code, copy it out, and paste it in here. Once you've pasted it in here and select Update, your affiliates will now have this experience in the Affiliate Center. When logging into the Affiliate Center as an affiliate, there's a new link up here at the top called Add Offer from Another Network. The adding of an offer from another network, all they have to do is click on this. What it does is it allows them to put in what kind of offer it is, where they see that offer, what maybe their payout is, or maybe they have they wish to get a different payout for an offer that they see out there, and they can put in any special comments. The last part is all they have to do is they do send request. Upon sending the request, all of this information is then emailed to the primary affiliate manager on file. So this will help you to know what your affiliates are looking for, so you can go find those offers and keep that affiliate happy with you, as well as keeping revenue within your company. And with that, we've completed all of the different features that have been released on part 1 of the Summer of Love. So let's see, we have a hand here. Let me see if we have any questions. I don't see any questions, but we have a hand that's looking for information. If you have any questions, you guys can email me. Oh, here's one question that just came in. Let's see what we have here. Well, I have quite a few questions. Let me read this here. Okay, yes, this was a question that came in. It says the code, okay, this has to do with the feature on the testing the affiliates code. When an affiliate is placing additional code inside of their, let's see here, let me just go into their account so it makes it easier. When an affiliate is placing a confirmation pixel of a JavaScript and they've placed it in here, then it'll be able to pull down additional code. So yes, that is a correction. Image pixels will not pull down this code, iframe pixels as well as server-side pixels. Just the JavaScript code will do that. Let's see, yep, we have multiple questions about the same thing. The pixel test does work on all pixel types. So if your affiliate is doing a server-side pixel and you have placed a JavaScript or an image or a server-side with the merchant, it will still work the same. All the pixel compliancy rules are in place for the for pixel testing. So depending on the pixel that you have with the merchant, Linktrust will fire that accordingly. There's a few questions that we're going to hit directly with that consumer just so that we can, or the partner, just because there's some clarification that's going to be needed. Let's see. Here's another question. It says, does all offers work with the pixel test? Another competitor didn't work with offers that fired the pixel on a credit card purchase. Okay, so that's a good point. Does it test out with all offers? There's a principle that's needed to be known in order to understand how this pixel testing is going to work. So I've just thrown up a blank screen. I'm going to draw a quick little picture. We've got over here the merchant system. We've got here, which is Linktrust system. And then we also have the last one is going to be your affiliate system. So originally, when an offer is set up with a merchant, you definitely want to test between the Linktrust and the merchant to make sure that this is appropriate and working correctly. So the next step is you start bringing on affiliates. When an affiliate starts to come onto the system and they're going to be testing with you, you need to now test between the affiliate system and Linktrust only. And you may wonder, why do I have to just do Linktrust only? Why shouldn't I go through the entire process? And the answer to that is you don't need to. If you've tested Linktrust to the merchant and that has equaled a success, then the affiliate being tested with Linktrust equaling a success, it follows the basic math principle of if A equals B and B equals C, then A equals C. So the way that Linktrust, the test parameters work is that you are actually testing this portion. This portion here, you'll need to test with the merchant, but see, the test process in Linktrust does not work with the merchant because the merchant needs to take that URL and then run it through their system. So that would be counterproductive if you tried to use our pixel testing with the merchant. So hopefully that helped on that question there. Okay, so for some extra clarification, if you have a JavaScript confirmation pixel with the affiliate, or I'm sorry, with the merchant, and you allow affiliates to run any of these confirmation pixels, then they will work with the JavaScript. If I am running an image with the merchant, then technically these two, in fact, this should not be able to be highlighted. I'll have to get that fixed because an image pixel will not pull down any additional code. If you're using a server-side pixel with a merchant, only another server-side pixel should be fired. So it looks like we just have a minor bug right there that I'll check because that should be grayed out. Should not work. Additional code is only an option when you have a JavaScript confirmation pixel placed with the merchant. And so if you don't have that, you can't use additional code. Your affiliate can't use additional code either. So hopefully that helps out. Let's see here. Do we have any additional questions that may have popped up? If you have additional server-side URLs, okay, so we've got an affiliate that has a single server-side, and then all of a sudden they come up to you and say, hey, can you fire these 2 other postback server-side URLs? If you have a JavaScript code on the page, then you can take those 2 URLs and you can embed them. In fact, I would embed them as basically an image pixel onto the additional code inside that affiliate's account, and they will fire both URLs, server-side postbacks. They'll fire it at the browser level, but it'll still fire it, not at the server level. So, okay, let's see. We got one more that just came in. It says here, I have an affiliate that doesn't allow what they call ghost pixel firing. Is that what this new feature is considered? Specifically, will the affiliate be able to tell I didn't test the original pixel organically? No, the affiliate won't. What will happen is this. Like I did on that one drawing, if you're firing the link trust confirmation pixel for an affiliate, and you're not having it go through the merchant to fire that confirmation pixel, the affiliate's tracking system will only pick up after the link trust confirmation pixel. So it will not know that it did not go through the entire merchant, actually. So if you're testing A to B only, your affiliate will see that it's tested properly in their system, and they will not know that you didn't go A to B to C and then back over to A. Oh, that's true. We got a clarification that the system, when using a server-side pixel, when using a server-side postback URL, it does need to fire in a get format, not a post format. That is correct. When it's a link trust URL. So that's another one. Let's see here. It says, will this webinar be recorded? My links were not working and I missed the beginning. Yes, this is recorded, and I'll have it ready for you later today. It says here, when will Linktrust read a post? I don't have that information for you, unfortunately. I do not know. Let's see, here's another one. And hold on, let me read this real fast. There's some clarification that I'm not sure how to answer this one question. It has to do with the click-to-conversion time filters. I don't know on that one, so I don't want to give out wrong information, but I can, I'll have that sent over to the marketing team, and what we'll do is we'll use this question and answer it. We can do that as a tip of the week or an information email out to everybody. So I want to make sure that I confirm. I know that you contacted support on that, but I just want to make sure that's confirmed that way before I answer for myself. So let's see. So there are some other additional questions that are coming in that are not necessarily related to this webinar, and so I'm going to take those questions and I'll respond directly to you. I hope this webinar was helpful to you. If you guys have any additional questions, you can contact us at support@linktrust.com. We can also contact us or review all the current release